dissolving edges after extruding a face, etc. Edit mode, face select, select this face, E in the y-axis, return, Z, wireframe, scrolling a bit, go to edge select, select the edge, dissolve edges. So what previously I was kind of thinking that, oh, I should just be able to click on the edge. It feels as though you do have to drag it somewhat. There you go. Because at the point it goes orange, that's when you're good. Not when it might be white. So I'll illustrate that now. So there we got a white line. That's not what you want. You want to kind of drag and get the yellow or orange line. And now I'll do delete and dissolve edges. Okay, so that looks okay. But what we have now is still the ghost of that extrusion there. I want this, again, this might be me being a newbie, but I don't, it doesn't make sense to me that this, we'll see that this feels like it's two lines. See that? So when I highlight that, it only highlights the point beyond the extrusion. That doesn't feel right. I dare say it is right, it doesn't feel right. Whereas this bottom one, again, this feels a bit buggy to me. This one feels correct. This bottom one doesn't have any hint of the extrusion that happened, whereas this does. And to get rid of this, so I'm going to delete this edge now, which was from the original cube. Dissolve edges. No, that wasn't it. So at this point we want, actually, you know, I was talking earlier about, oh, it needs to be the orange line, not the white line. Well, if you do it as an orange line, it deletes the whole edge. However, if you delete it as it just doesn't feel right that in any case should be, just feels as though it should be the whole thing. Anyway, so now I've got it as a white line. Press delete, dissolve edges. Do that again, dissolve edges. And now the whole thing is a white line. So it just feels buggy to me. Again, down here, that's already a contiguous line, as is this now. And this is a split line. And doing a deletion in its kind of white state does not, in its orange state does not work. So you have to get it in its white state, not its orange state, its white state. I've now got it in its white state, so delete that, which it's almost as though there's a double edge there. Delete that. You have to do it twice, and now you've got a fully contiguous white line. So again, might be me being a noob, but I see that's the same there as well. Delete that. I dare say I'm missing a key or something I should be doing, but that just feels weird to me, particularly as it's already kind of fixed on the bottom but not on the top. And I'm not complaining, it's a free tool. Bye.